Hello everyone and welcome to an unboxing that I am excited to do with you all, and I am always excited to do. I have got another Stitch Fix here. The first one actually in my new apartment, which to me is very exciting. I don't know why, it's just, you know, a fresh start, and I'm excited to see what my stylist had to pick for me this time around. I did put in an actual request this time that I wanted cozy things for fall, and also I would love either a new pair of earrings or a necklace. So let's see if they listened. For those of you who don't know, real quick, Stitch Fix, I always have my affiliate link down below. Anyone can be an affiliate. This is not a sponsored post. It's a styling service online. It is not a subscription. You choose when and how often you want to fix, if at all. You take your style quiz. You can tell them, like I said, what you're looking for, if anything in particular at all, and then they style you. So here we have the little envelope that will tell me all the prices and everything. It also comes with your pre-stamped mailer bag, so returns and exchanges are all free. You get 5 items in each of the boxes, and you only pay for what you keep. Well, technically it's a $20 styling fee that you pay every single time. If you are a first-time customer and you use my link, you won't have to pay that fee, but any of the items that you keep in the box, that 20 bucks that you paid for the styling fee, gets put towards that. So if you end up wanting to keep a $40 shirt, you end up only paying an extra $20 to the $20 that you paid to get styled initially. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off of your whole box. I feel softness, which means I think there are cozy things for fall. Oh, I see corduroy. I'm actually really excited about that. Oh, it looks like fall colors in there. Yes. I think we have some sort of chonky jewelry. Okay, so jewelry first. I just felt like I hadn't gotten any jewelry from Stitch Fix in a long time, and maybe that's just me imagining things, but okay, I'm kind of nervous that it's this big. Let's see. Ooh. Wait, oh, is it a necklace? Okay. I thought it was a bracelet, and I was like, literally not what I asked for. I think I like it. I mean, it's pretty. I don't know how I feel about it exactly. This is from Stella and Ruby. I do like the colors and everything. I just think it looks a little old lady-ish maybe, but we'll see. Let's see. How does it look on me? Just something about it. It's just a little old lady. Is it better if I were wearing like an open neck instead of a sweater? I suppose so. We'll keep it undercover. We'll see if it matches any of the stuff that they gave me, any of the shirts, and we'll see if any of the shirts happen to be open or openable. It looks like we have a flannel. Ooh, cute. Oh, that's different. I like that. So this is a flannel. I mean, it's not an actual flannel. It's just like a linen shirt, but it's got the typical plaid flannel pattern on it. Flannel's not a pattern, but you get what I'm saying, right? It's honestly not even a typical flannel pattern, but it's a nice charcoal graphite, kind of a gray mixed with a baby pink and a cream, and then it's got like this rose gold metallic laced through. I don't know if that's picking up on the reflectiveness of that metallic, but super cute. Yeah, I don't think I would pair it with the necklace, but at least we'll be able to see it with some sort of an open thing. I also see some leopard print, which I'm okay with. Oh, cute. Ah, crap. I like it. And then one little thing. I've never been a big fan of elbow patches. I don't know why. I'm just not. But I am a fan of down the back. It's got these really cute buttons, and it's just a sweater. I mean, it looks like just a sweater from the front, but this is from Pink Clover. I do really like their stuff, what I've gotten from them, but like I said, the elbow patches, I don't know. We'll see once I have it on. Other than that, I really like it. We also have something from Madewell. I didn't know that they had Madewell in their arsenal on Stitch Fix. Oh, that is a really cute sweater. Oh, that is so cute. Yes, yes, yes. I could almost kind of see it with this necklace, maybe. I don't know. We'll give it a try anyways, but really soft. I love the stripes. Oh, cute. And the sleeve is like a poofy sleeve. It's got the elastic on the bottom. Oh, that is adorable. It's probably really expensive. I feel like Madewell tends to be expensive. And then we have got some bottoms. We have got some forest green corduroys. Oh, these are lovely. I love corduroy pants. I just rarely ever find any that fit me and are a color that I want. These are a size 32. I wonder if they only have even sizes, because I'm pretty sure I have on my profile that I'm a 33 typically, but we shall see. There's 2% spandex in it, so maybe it'll stretch enough.
Going by the neck test, it's gonna be a little tight.
But we shall see. I'm excited. Let's try this stuff on. All right, can you guys see me? I think this is the best I can do for a full-length shot, but here we go. Here are the pants and that first flannel shirt. It actually fits me nicely. It's a little snug when I try and pull my arms together, but that tends to be the case for me just because I have really broad shoulders and everything. But otherwise, you know, the buttons aren't gaping, and it, like I said, it just fits really well. It's got the buttons that if you want to roll up the sleeves, you can. The pants fit me great. I'm surprised, like I said, since these are 32. I'm sure they were meant to be like a crop length because of the way that they're rolled up on the bottoms, but it just means they're the perfect length for me. So I could wear these with flats and they won't drag on the floor. I could wear them with boots and they would tuck in perfect. They just overall are a really, really nice fit. They're really comfy. Oh, and I forgot, I kept the necklace on. Woo, a little cleave for you guys. But I don't know. I feel like it's just a little old lady on me, yeah? All right, and here is the animal print sweater. It's a bit more form-fitting than I thought it was going to be. Not that that's a bad thing, just wasn't expecting it. The elbow patches, I just don't know. I mean, I love the buttons. I always love buttons down the back. It's really cute. And it's got the, what is it called? Not a shark bite, but you know, that kind of a rounded, but yet comes up on the side hem. I just don't know about these elbow patches. They're just really not my thing. But otherwise, I mean, it's a nice enough sweater. It's nice and soft. I just don't know that it's for me. And here's this sweater, you guys. It's so cute. I hate that I love this because I'm pretty sure this is going to be really expensive. I still have my Stitch Fix set to the lowest price setting, but I feel like they've been going a little bit outside of that lately. But here you go. Here's the sweater. It's more of a relaxed, boxy type of a fit. But then, like I said, it's got these poof sleeves. They're so cute. I kind of feel like a clown, but like a really cute clown. Matches with these cords perfectly. So as I took the necklace off, was this the intended outfit that the necklace would go with? I mean, I get it, like matching it with the blues, but I just can't see myself reaching for this necklace ever, that's all. The sweater, however, I could see wanting to wear this every single day. Whew, it always gets hot trying this stuff on. So let's see. We've got our, oh, hello, card in here. So we can see what my stylist has to say, and also they give you styling suggestions with the different items. So let's see. We did get Sasha again, yay, here we go. Happy 20th, oh God, I can't believe it's my 20th fix. So much fun choosing some on-trend pieces to elevate my fall wardrobe. Olive is a color for the season, it's true. So started off with the pants, it's the corduroy, is easy to dress up or down, and it'll keep you warm. Pair it with the plaid button-down top, flats, and a denim jacket. You could also stay cozy in the corduroys with the Madewell balloon sleeve pullover and your favorite neutral booties, exactly. Also, animal print is the new neutral for the season, so also included the pink clover top to wear with your new pants, or leather leggings and knee-high boots. I'm excited to see what you loved the most and what other requests you have. Yes, so cute. Look at all these outfits for this sweater. Yes, yes. Also, this outfit, shut up, right here with these green corduroys and whatever this sweater is with these sneakers and a tan bag. Ooh, yes. That is very cute. Very nice. Now, let's see how much this costs. Of course, the two things that I love are the two things that are way above the price point that I personally have marked down. Oh man. This necklace is $38. The corduroys are $78. Oh my god. The button-down top is $48. The balloon sweater is $75. And the leopard print sweater is $44. So if I were to buy all five, With the discount, it would have been $213 about. I do have credit from you guys, so thank you to those of you who have used my link signing up. You guys are going to be basically buying these things for me. The sweater and the pants. I really appreciate that. I will be having to pay, what, like 20 bucks, I think? We'll just say if it was 80 and 80, that's 160 with my $20 styling fee, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I mean, boo-hoo to me for wanting these expensive things. That's kind of a bit of the game we play by ordering these subscription service, that not subscription, but you know, styling service things. Kind of annoying that they haven't been following my price preference, but at the same time, I'm kind of glad because I love this sweater so, so much. I'm just gonna say that this is a gift from all of you all to me. Thank you so, so much to those of you who have used my link to sign up for Stitch Fix. I hope you've enjoyed anything that you've gotten. I hope it's been worth it to you. Also, partial thank you for partially paying for these pants. I am very excited to be wearing these a ton this fall and winter. And yeah, these two shirts and then the necklace I will be sending back, just because, I mean, I didn't hate either of these shirts on me, definitely not. I just can't see myself wearing them a ton, and I've just kind of gotten to that point where it's like, I don't need any more clothes, like that's for darn sure, but I enjoy doing these videos, I enjoy doing these unboxings from Stitch Fix, and so every now and then I know I'm going to be accumulating clothing, but I have been pretty good about getting rid of things in my closet, you know, with the passing seasons or even just once a year, and I feel like I've definitely gotten more into buying quality items rather than a quantity of items. Do you get what I mean? So I know, you know, Madewell is a great brand. Hopefully these pants hold up. They feel really nice. Anything I've purchased and kept from Stitch Fix has held up really well through the wash and wear of it, and they are some of my more worn pieces for sure. So that's why I have these set to every other month, so it's not an every month thing. It's just a nice little treat for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you once again to those of you who have signed up through my link. I really appreciate it, and like I said, I just hope that you have also enjoyed Stitch Fix. Definitely let me know which of these items was your favorite on me in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!